السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سعاد توفر. سعاد a girl's name توفر. وفر يوفر means saving. سعاد توفر means سعاد is saving something. Here the concept is سعاد is saving money. Alright. توفر وفر يوفر من باب التفعيل. That means saving. سعاد أي هذين الفستانين تفضل يا أبي. سعاد is asking her father. أي which of these two frocks, which of these two dresses. أي means which, هذين means these two, الفستانين, fustan means frock. All right, can you see there are two dresses, there are two frocks. So فستانين means two frocks. So أي هذين الفستانين, which of these two dresses or frocks تفضل, you prefer, you want يا أبي, oh my father, which frock you want. تفضل. فضل يفضل means preferring something. Suppose I prefer coffee rather than tea, okay, over tea. I prefer tea over coffee, something like that. تفضل. الفستان الذي على اليسار أم ذلك الذي على اليمين. الفستان, that frock, the dress, الذي, which is in the left hand side, or in the left hand side. Which fustan do you like? Which dress do you like? The right one or the left one? The left one or right one? على اليسار means left. على اليمين means right. All right. The left. Do you prefer the right one or the left one? Which one? Suad is asking to her father. Al father is saying كلاهما جميل. Both of them are nice. كلاهما means both of them. Both of them are beautiful. Both of them are beautiful. نفس المقاس, he is also explaining more. نفس المقاس, same size. مقاس means size. نفس means same. Same size. نفس الشكل, same shape. Alright, نفس means same. شكل means shape. Same shape. ونفس اللون, and same color. Alright, father is saying that they both are quite beautiful and they're same. نفس المقاس, same size, same shape, and same color. Then mother saying, her mother is saying, لا, no. Mother saying, is that لا يا Abdullah, no. Abdullah, no, that's not true. Abdullah means Suad's father. That means almost her mother husband, which is definitely. لا يا Abdullah, oh my, oh Abdullah, no, not like that. إنهما متشابهان تماما. They look like similar. They are quite similar. إنهما, that means these two fustans are similar. متشابهان means same. They look like same. متشابهان. Okay, same. تماما. All right. Fully similar. They look like similar. لكنهما, but they are. لكن means but. هما means they are. مختلفان, they are different. مختلفان means they're different في نوع القماش. In terms of I should say threads. All right, threads is something like the threads that dresses are made of. Okay, قماش means threads. واحد مصنوع, one فستان. مصنوع is made. مصنوع means made, is made. واحد means one fustan is made from nylon. All right, one fustan is made of nylon, and والآخر, and another one was made. مصنوع means made. Another one was made of حرير means silk. Another one is made of silk. So our mother is saying, no, the two dresses look similar, but they are actually not same. They are different. One is made of nylon and another one is made of silk. Kama tara, the way you can see. Kama tara means the way you can see. As you can see. Father is saying, أيهما تختارين يا سعاد, which تختارين. أيهما تختارين يا سعاد. سعاد, which one would you choose? Which one would you like? Which one would you prefer? أيهما اختار. يختار means choosing something, selecting something. Which one would you select? Which one would you prefer? Which one do you like? Okay, أيهما تختارين يا سعاد. سعاد is saying أختار الفستان المصنوع. I prefer, I choose, or I select الفستان المصنوع. that fustan which is made of nylon. I like the one which is made of nylon. All right, nylon is a name of thread. Okay, so I choose the fustan which is made of nylon. فلا أستطيع التمييز, and he is also saying and لا أستطيع, I can't, I'm not able, I can't تمييز, I can differentiate, I can't understand any differences, I cannot understand difference, or I cannot differentiate بينهما, among them abadan, I cannot make any differences between them, I cannot understand any differences between them. Father is saying, Mama saying, Umus saying, Amma on the other hand, Ana but I can understand. Our mother is saying, all right, but I can understand. فأنا فأستطيع, I can understand. uh, what is the difference? الفستان المصنوع من النايلون ليس غالٍ. Our father is saying, our mother is saying, yeah, the nylon fustan, the fustan, the dress that was made of nylon is not غاليا, is not expensive. ليس غاليا means not expensive. ليس means not. غاليا means expensive. الفستان المصنوع من النايلون, the frock that was made of nylon is not expensive. فهو, and هو أرخص, it is cheaper. أرخص من رخيص من cheap. Okay, أرخص من cheaper. فهو أرخص, and it's cheaper in الفستان الحريري, and it's cheaper than the fustan which was made of silk. Okay, فهو أرخص, which is cheaper than the frock which was made of hariri. And then father said, أنت توفرين لنا, you are saving for us. All right, you are not spending money. You are not spending money, you are not wasting money. That means you are saving for us. أنت توفرين لنا, you are saving for us. أنت توفرين, ما أطيبك يا سعاد, how kind you are, how kind you are, how kind you are. ما أطيبك يا سعاد. Okay, how kind you are, how good you are. أنت توفرين لنا, that means you are saving for us. So is saying حسنا يا أبي, all right, oh my father. والآن أريد, and now أريد شراء حذاء. Now أريد, I want to buy. شراء means buy. حذاء, that means shoe. I want to buy a shoe يليق بهذا الفستان الجميل, that gets similar with this beautiful frock, that's similar with this beautiful dress. أليس كذلك يا أمي? Isn't it my mother? So here is saying, so I was saying حسنا يا أبي والآن أريد شراء حذاء. Now I want to buy a shoe, buy a pair of shoes. يليق, لاقة, يليق means matching, that matches. I want to buy a shoe that matches with this beautiful what frock or dress. أليس كذلك يا أمي? Isn't it my mother? أليس كذلك? Isn't it my mother? السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.